Hello, let's solve this equation. This is an exponential equation in a simultaneous way. So let's call this one equation 1, equation 2. As you say this, we can divide this equation and we can multiply. So the first thing we have to do is to multiply. So this times this, it gives us 2 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x. And again we have 3 raised to the power of y times 2 raised to the power of y is equal to 12 times 18. Okay, so these they have similar powers, so you can multiply the base. 2 times 3, that will give us 6 raised to the power of x times 3 times 2, 6 raised to the power of y is equal to 12, can be written as 2 times 2 times 3, that's 12, times, this can be written as 2 times 3 times 3. Now, this, bring it together. Multiplication means you add the power. So, if you remember, recall that a raised to the power x times a raised to the power y, it means a raised to the power x plus y. So let's apply that here. That will be 6 raised to the power of x plus y is equal to 2 in 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 times 1, 2, 3. 3 raised to the power of 3. These are having the same power. We can multiply the base. So we have 6 raised to the power x plus y is equal to 2 times 3, that's 6 raised to the power of 3. So we have similar base here. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 3. Let's call that equation 4. Now, what can we do to the equation again? We can divide. So this divided by this. So let's do that. So it means 2 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x. Now, 3 raised to the power of y divided by 2 raised to the power of y, all into 12 divided by 18. 2 divided by 3 can be written as 2 over 3 raised to the power of x into 3 over 2 raised to the power of y is equal to 12 over 18. To simplify this, this is 2 over 3. We have to change this. So looking at this, both of them can be divided by 6. So what does this give us? This one is 2 over 3 raised to the power of x times 2 over 3 raised to the power of minus y. This has been interchanged. So is equal to 12 divided by 6, that's 2. 18 divided by 6, that's 3. This, they have similar base. So it means 2 over 3 all into x plus minus y, that's x minus y, is equal to 2 over 3 all raised to the power of 1. Similar base, this cancels this. So we have x minus y is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 5. Now, look at equation 4 and 5. Let's add them together. So it means we have x plus y is equal to 3. That is equation 4 carried here. To solve this, we have minus y plus y. Simultaneously, let's add the two equations together. Adding the equation together, x plus x, we have 2x, minus y plus y, that's 0, 1 plus 3, that should give us 4. So to get our x here, we divide both sides by 2. So it means we have x is equal to 4 divided by 2, and therefore x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 into equation 4 or 5. Putting that in equation 4, so it means we have 2 plus y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 and the 2 minus 2. So y is equal to 1. So it means our answer is that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. That's our answer here. Thank you and God bless you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.